Just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speed and my heart is racing.
Thank you so much for coming back. Hello to my new subscribers. Hey, how y'all doing? Hello to my old subscribers. Hey, how y'all doing? Yeah, I just want to say thank you guys. I'm so appreciative. Thank you guys for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. If you have not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your girl. And don't forget to hit that bell to get notifications, okay? This video is basically going to be telling you how I achieved this look with this unit. So this unit came from Iconik Gold Hair Extensions. Okay, so the website is, I'm looking down at my phone, sorry y'all. The website is basically www.iconicgold.com. So she sells hair, she sells the bundles themselves and units. So this is a unit. I did not make this. I actually have a wig that I did not make, so it feels good and weird at the same time. This wig actually came in a blonde 316 or 613 613. Yeah, so it's a 613 here, and I colored it icy mint color. This is the color that I use, the Kiss Colors Express, and it's icy mint. So I used two of these, and I used the watercolor method, which was actually pretty good. It didn't even take the hair 5 minutes to color. And the hair itself, I love the hair. The hair is beautiful. It's beautiful. The lace came transparent. It was not this color. I had to tint my lace, and this is what I used to tint my lace. Now this is it's a dye for fabric, so it's a fabric dye. And I got this from Walmart. Like, this is a pretty decent size. You only use this much when you're doing a unit or you're doing your lace. You don't need a lot. So this is going to last for like ever. This is going to last forever. Yeah, I got it at Walmart for like $2. What else? What else? She was so patient with me, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie. The person who I was working with, like the owner of the owner of the collection, is Tanisha Evans, and she was working with me, guys. She was so patient with me. It took me a long time to really determine what I wanted. So when I got this hair and it finally came, I took my time as usual. I colored it, I tinted my lace. The unit actually came pre-plucked, so I didn't have to work too hard. But you guys know me, like, I went back in and I plucked just a little bit, just because I just wanted to pluck a little bit more, just to get a little closer to that skin, you know, that skin blend type of thing with the edges, you know, gotta slick the edges down and stuff like that. So yeah. I think I'm gonna wear this for like maybe a good 2 weeks. Right now the hair is, girl, this hair is bump, okay? Right now the hair got a lot of body to it. I didn't intentionally want to cut it so short, even though I love it now. Like, at first I was like, oh, that's too short, it's not gonna look right, but I love it. I tried to cut the hair wet at first, and then the way like the wig is structured, like, I'm not used to it. Like I said, like, this is the first wig that I haven't made, so excuse me. Yeah, so this is the wig that I haven't made. And I guess I don't know y'all, but I tried to cut it wet at first, and then it just really didn't come. It was looking horrible. So I just went back in and I cut it a little higher, and this is what I came out with. It's super cute. Like, I love it. I love the color. I love the length. and the body, like the hair is, yeah, the hair is bomb. So the next thing I might do, I might order some bundles from her and create my own. But yes, honey, this is really nice. I love it. 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 Also, with that process being done, I did not want, like, this is it's kind of pros and cons. Like, the hair is really good. Her customer service is excellent. Like, she was so patient with me. She was able to work with me and just be so nice and kind. So also, she also does a little graphic designing. So y'all should check her out. Okay, I'll put all of her links down below if you need it. And yeah, another the con to it, so she had good customer service. The hair is bomb. I love it. It has natural highlights and lowlights of the 613 hair, and when I colored it, it's just I don't know, y'all, like this, it's just overall a good, it's good. Okay, but you guys know how I'm used to my own wigs. So when I put the wig on, you know how the wig had a look. It has 2 clamps in it in the front and a clamp in the back. So I didn't want to take any clamps out simply because this is my first time having a wig, and I didn't want to do too much, basically. So it's just that I thought that I would be able to put the elastic band in, like my own elastic band in the wig, and just have it like that, but no, ain't wrong. Okay, I had to use the Got to Be glue, and y'all know how I feel about Got to Be glue. Okay, I had to use the Got to Be glue, and I just, no, I don't want to do that. But other than that, this wig is bomb. The hair is bomb. The company is hella nice. Like, it's good. Okay, the website is on point. I love everything. I love it all. So that was my review. It's like my little initial review, and I think I'm gonna wear it for like 2 weeks and then come back and give you guys another review on how I just overall like the hair and the unit. So yeah, that's that. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank y'all for y'all support. Oh my god, I'm just so appreciative. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, okay, before this video ends, boo. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.